Our customers trust that MD&A has their interests in mind. We value this trust.
Hi, I'm Jason Wheeler, and I'm your MD&A expert.
I'm Wes, your MD&A expert.
I'm your MD&A expert.
I'm Blair Woody. I'm your MD&A expert.
Bernie Traver here.
I'm your MD&A expert.
I'm Rob Kilroy.
And I'm your MD&A expert.
MD&A is a full-service, high-quality OEM alternative for turbine generator service, repairs, parts, and controls. We're one of the largest non-OEM providers in the U.S. Through 30 years, we've earned our reputation. We're trusted as the one-stop shop.
The one-stop shop.
One-stop shop, able to solve every conceivable need.
Whether it's steam, gas, industrial, turbines, or generators, we've handled it. We can solve your problem.
We offer power through experience. Our project managers, engineers, and technicians have seen every possible challenge.
Our breadth and depth of experience will find the smartest, most effective solution.
Managing an outage effectively is critical.
MD&A experts get your equipment back online fast. Our customers know they can count on us to work together.
To work together.
To work together.
To get the right solution.
We do it with speed, simplicity, and openness.
Whether we are solving a forced outage or providing routine service, we stay in close communication at all times.
You always know where your job is at and who to talk to.
Our experts are ingenious at developing solutions. We work with every conceivable problem, even developing new technologies when needed.
We have earned trust and respect throughout the industry for our innovative response to all kinds of situations.
We meet every challenge
to keep your power operations running smoothly.
Together,
we power
through experience. Together, we power through experience.
Together,
we power through experience.
Together,
we power through experience.
Together, we power through experience.